Alright, I'm on board a contrast sailboat right now, and my job is to make this small Volvo Penta D130 start, and I'm going to change the batteries. Let's go. Alright, batteries are in place. Now, I'm going to try to start it. Let's see. So I don't know, we might have a problem with the glow plugs on this engine. We got one sitting right there, the second one is up there, the third one is way back there. We got three of those because this is a 3-cylinder engine. They are connected to the batteries on board, and what happens is that when you press the button or turn the key around, you give the engine a couple of seconds without starting it, and then these plugs will heat up, preheat the diesel before you start the engine. It's going to make it a lot easier to start, and once you have it running, they will disconnect and the engine will heat up the diesel on its own. And if we have a problem with these, we will most likely not be able to start this engine. So I'm going to measure and see if we got any power coming to those plugs, and if we don't, we have to deal with that. Let's see. So we definitely have power coming to the glow plugs, so that's good. Let's try again. So now I'm in the engine room of the 460 Fly by Chanot. Customer talked about having some problems starting the generator. So let's just give it a shot. All right. So I'm not really sure what's going on with this generator. It's basically just like the customer said, it won't start. And these generators are quite sensitive. If you don't have water coming through, if you block the intake for the cooling, it's going to stop right away. But we're not even getting it to start. Maybe there's a problem with the starting solenoid, or maybe we're just not getting enough power to the starter. So let's start at the battery.
So the battery seems fine, it's just that 11 volts is not really enough to start this generator. Should be above 12, 12 and a half. So we might have to charge it. But I think I just want to boost the system right now just so that I can see if we can get it to start that way. All right. Yeah, it's starting. All right, so boosting it really helped. That means that this battery needs to be charged. So just gonna do that and come back and test it another day, and we'll see if the battery is good enough or maybe we need a new one. We'll see. So I'm about to end the episode right now, but before I go, I just wanted to say I'm really pleased to see that I've had a bunch of new subscribers lately. So that's really cool. Thank you so much for subscribing. Remember, if you do like what you see, you can hit the like button, and I will see you next time for more whatever here on the docks of Norway. Bye bye.